If you guys have ever gotten these Scepter brand gas cans, you'll see it comes with, you'll recognize these stupid contraptions here. This is the most over-engineered, worst friggin' gas spout there is. Whether you get the small gas cans like this or the bigger ones, the 5-gallon ones like I have here, kind of in this hex shape, or more the blocky one, you'll also know that these gas cans do not have vent holes on them. So the combination of a lack of a vent hole and this over-engineered piece of trash, what this does is it causes the exact problem that this is attempting to solve. Down inside there's a trap door in the very back. That trap door cannot get pushed unless you're using one of these. You gotta shove it past the trap door, and then you have your funnel. But even then, the Scepter will drop gas all over the place. So you gotta hold that button in and pour the gas. And oddly enough, of course when I'm trying to demonstrate it, it's not gonna leak gas out, but normally it leaks gas out from behind here and under here. And then you tighten this down and it still leaks gas out from here and back behind here. So that leaking is the main reason I'm getting rid of these. The fact that this will not reach down inside there, it's not long enough to push that trap door. So that's the other reason I'm getting rid of it. Anyway, there's an inexpensive solution, and I've been replacing all these shit-tastic caps on my umpteen million gas cans with simple, good old-fashioned spouts. So I got these kits. These kits come with a fine thread cap or a coarse thread cap. These particular ones are for the 1.75 inch, 1 3/4 inch spout openings. They also come with the spout itself and a cap for the spout, which is convenient. It's pretty cool. They also come with vents or just vent caps. So if you happen to have gas cans that already have vents on them, that's what these are for. So you could just snap this onto your vent cap and there you go. Or comes with these, so you can drill a hole in the back of your gas can yourself and these pop right in there. Well, what size drill bit do you need before you drill a hole? The convenient thing is these little kits come with the exact drill bit you need. So that's nice. So now I have 3 of these size drill bits. And yes, it works good. I've already done 3 of my gas cans where I drilled a hole in the back and this end just pops right into the hole. And then the cap just snaps on and it's good to go. Now I've already tried it and I've had the cans completely upside down while fueling up my Jeep using the gas cans after I've retrofitted these better, superior nozzles on there. And I didn't want to drill holes in the gas cans while there's still gas in them, but I was like, I got a lot of gas and I'm not transferring all the gas from one can to the next just so that it's empty so I could drill a hole. I work in the gas industry and I decided that using an electric drill to drill into some plastic is going to be okay. Is there a risk of spark? Probably, but I took my chances and I lived. Anywho, let's go drill some holes in some gas containing cans. All you gotta do is decide where you think the best place the hole is probably gonna be. For me, I think on these kind of octagon shaped ones back here, even though initially that's where my hand's going to be holding. I could have my hand open when I'm pouring, but kind of at the angle that my vehicle is when I have to turn the can completely upside down to get the last little bit of gas out of the end. Probably need it kind of here in the back, I guess, on the cube shaped ones also on the back. So drilling the holes real easy. You might be worried about getting pieces of plastic dropping down in the can and in the gas, but if you do it slow enough, it's going to be minimal. And then even then, these Scepter gas cans have those screens on the inside. The screens that these dumbass little hoses go down into. So the screens will keep that plastic from coming out should you happen to drop plastic in there. I don't think I've dropped plastic in there yet. But drilling the hole is super easy. Use the bit that came with it. Pick a spot, line it up, put it on there. I gotta use my right hand. See that plastic start to come out. Once you feel that it's penetrated through that layer of plastic, kind of go easy and then pull it out at the same time. There we go. And just grab the plastic and pull it off of there. Super simple. Take your cap, shove it in there, and it is good and tight. Ta-da, that's it. So then you take this piece of shit off of here, and then you have these little locking rings. And what I do is just pop it up. Oops. Just lift it up a little so you got some space there, and then I just use the snippers and snip that bitch off. There you go. There. Open the vent, cap off, hoist it up. Stick the nozzle all the way past the spring-loaded filler. Good to go. So I'm not spilling any fuel. Damn it, Eric, are you that hard up that you're using your gas can gas? No, I've had this gas for probably, I don't know, a good 6 months at least. So I'm rotating my gas out. I'm going to use up all this gas in my cans and then refill them. Anyway, I will include a link in the bottom to where you can get these exact replacements. They come in boxes of 3. I don't remember the price off the top of my head. You'll see it when you click the link. All right, later.